Corrin Switzer Shred CrossFit.
We've got 20-inch box. We've got a 35-pound rogue bar with 15-pound plates.
That's even better.
And a 15-pound plate for 65 pounds. And this will be a 7-minute running clock with the rig right there. And these will be jumping pull-ups. And
Shot at the clock.
yeah.
Okay, wait till we stay down.
Go.
Go. Yep. Tap the ground every time. Elbows in front of the bar at the top. Good. Good. Good job, Corrin. Good. Twos are done. You did twos there. You're done.
She has to do 10.
Oh, that's right, Michael. Close.
Okay, round 1 done. Now you got 4. 20 next time.
Good job. I don't feel sore. What's that?
4 of these, come on. 1, 2, 3. 1 more.
4. Good. Good set.
1. Now you got 20 of these.
There you go. Good job. That's a 5. Just like that. 5 minutes. You got 5 minutes left. Doing good. Good job. There's 10. 10 left.
Let's go, Steph.
You got this. Big jump. Explode. Good job.
Okay.
Come on, 8 more.
One more for 15. There you go, 15. 5 left.
Come on now, you got this.
Use your legs.
Nice job.
Use your legs. Jump. There, good one.
Come on, 3 more. 3 more. Bang them out.
Good. Yeah. Good job.
Okay.
Good job, kid.
6s.
6s.
Got 4 minutes.
Come on now. Give
Breathe.
your best effort.
Breathe and go. Breathe and go. Here we go. Good. Good. Halfway done.
Come on, 3 more. Come on, go.
Yeah. Good. Walk over the bar. Get your breath while you're
Best
walking.
effort.
Get
Get
your
your best
breath.
effort.
Get
Come
your
on now,
breath.
hurry. Best effort. Come on, 323.
Come on, 6 cleans.
That's it. Come on now.
Come on.
Best effort in 323. Come on now.
Let's go.
Come on.
You're strong. Let's go.
It's a different movement. Come on, pick it up. Pick it
Toes
up.
forward.
Pick it up. Come on now.
Good.
There we go.
No, you don't have to jerk it.
No jerk.
Just
Drop,
cleans. Come on.
drop. Keep going.
But focus.
3 minutes. Come on now. Best effort. 3
5
minutes.
left. Come on.
Come on.
2. Come on, Cor. 3.
Nice
4.
job.
There it is. Good.
There you go.
That's it.
Nice
Okay.
job.
All right, this is a tough one. 30 of these. Let's go. Got to get to the 8s.
Sets of 5. Sets of 5, just like you were.
Come on. Sets of 5. You got this. 220. Let's get to the 8s. Come on.
I got some extra wigs too. Nice job. Come on now.
Come on. Third of the way there. Come on. Bust out 5 more. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Dip and jump. There you go. You got this. Nice job. Dip and jump.
Come on. Halfway there.
5.
Set of 5. And
Exactly what I said. Exactly what I
Let's go. Come on.
extend.
Okay, come on now. Breathe.
Make sure, Corey, make sure you extend at the bottom. Don't waste these.
Come on, Corey!
10 more.
One,
Come on,
two,
let's go.
That's all. Come on now.
Dig!
There you go.
Extend the arms, extend the arms.
That was 6. Come on now. Nice job.
Fully extend the arms.
Come on
Don't mess
now.
up any reps.
Come on. Don't give up. You only have 1 minute 20 to give your best.
Come on, it's only 1
5.
minute left. You gotta go.
Fully extend on each one of these. Come on.
Dip. Come on. There you go. Come on now. How many you got? How many you got? Okay, come on now.
Dip, get low.
1.
Every one,
Go.
just like
Come on.
that. 1.
Corey, you got to do those again. You're not extending the arms.
Gotta do those 5 over.
Drop, drop, drop.
Gotta extend the arms all the way down.
2 at a time. Come on now. Drop. 43 seconds. Come on. You got to get to 2 box jumps.
There.
There you go.
Come on, 3 more.
3 left.
Come on now.
Extend.
Drop the whole way.
There it is.
Go. There it is.
There it is. Good.
Go. Come on.
Okay,
now.
hurry up.
Come
You got
on.
30 seconds. Get these
This is
8
it
box
right here.
jumps.
Come on, Max. Max.
Come on.
Max up.
20
45
seconds.
You got
Come on
this.
now.
You can do anything in 20 seconds.
Down.
Just keep going. 20 seconds.
There you go. Come on now. You can get 3 more out.
Nice. Way to go. Way to red line. Good job.
Now, nice job. 8. Come on now.
You got this. Finish it. Finish it. Finish it.
Come on now.
One more.
Nice job.
Good job. Very nice. Way to push. Good job, Cor.
Nice job. Round of 8. Got 6 box jumps.
Good job.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
Way to